Hey, welcome to this video. It's Hannes. I'm happy that you're here because I'm about to show you 3 cool and very easy songs for beginners everybody can check out that just started on guitar. While we're talking about starters, check out my free lessons for beginners. You find that in my video descriptions. A lot of cool lessons for beginners. Check that out if you want to have a good basis, if you want to learn the guitar, of course. No matter if you're playing an acoustic or an electric guitar, doesn't really matter. And now we start with 3 very cool and easy songs on guitar. I play them for you first and then we will check them out together. So let's go. Yeah, probably you recognize them. A lot of oldies, a lot of new cool stuff. I mean, this is crazy to say oldies. I mean, nothing else matters. Is it an oldie already? I don't know. Write in the comments if you think Nothing Else Matters is an oldie. But we started out with Nothing Else Matters, then we played Shape of You by Ed Sheeran, and then it was Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. And the thing is, for Nothing Else Matters, you don't even need your hand to grab a chord or something. We just play open strings, and this is really cool because everybody knows it on the whole wide world, and you can just play it and sound cool on your guitar. So we start on the 6th string, which is the E string, the low string, which is the closest string to you. Then you have to jump over 2 strings to the G string, which is the 3rd string, to the B string, and which is the 2nd string, and then to the high E string, which is the 1st string. And then we go back to the B string and to the G string. Okay? So we have the and back again. All 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. However you want to name the strings, in numbers or in letters. So this is the first part we don't need any fingers for. You can go on and on and on and play without any things in your grabbing hand. So let's check out the next song where we need actually some fingers of your grabbing hand for. So we start in the 2nd fret on the 2nd string. You can memorize that pretty good, I think. So 1st string, 2nd string, don't forget that. And then the 2nd fret. I want to give you the tip again. I always say that in those kind of videos. Grab as close to the fret as possible. Fret is this metal thing here. Not on it, but right next to it in the 2nd fret, which is like here, the 1st field. And those fields are separated from each other by those frets. And as close to the 2nd fret as possible. You have your thumb as your counter pressure here on the back of the neck. Try to create that note. Okay, if that works, we can get to the next note. In the 5th fret on the same string, and back again. That's most of the song actually. So play that 3 times, and then you go to the 4th fret, to the 2nd fret, and play an open string. Everything happens on the same string, by the way, to say that again. So, 2, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 0, 2, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 0. And it might now sound on your side of the internet like this. This more sounds like a funny version of Shape of You because you have those long notes going on there. Shape of You more has those short notes going on. So how do you play short notes without sounding like this? You can damp the strings in several ways. When you play it, for example, in the 2nd fret, just lift your index finger just a little bit. You just release the pressure, but I'm still in contact with the string, you know? Can you hear that? But I just release pressure, and by that the note dies. And I can also damp the string with my wrist here. I just jump on the string with my picking hand. But after I played it, I just release pressure in my grabbing hand here. So let's go to the 3rd song here, Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. We can play this with the index finger in the 7th fret of the A string, which is the 5th string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th string, and then in the 7th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, always be as close to the fret as possible, not on the fret, but as close as possible. So play 7 again, and then you jump to the 10th fret. Back to the 7th, 5th, 3rd, 2nd. So 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. Always the same, always on the A string. And again, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. And then we have a short bridge to the chorus, which is played in the 3rd on the 3rd fret of the E string, the 6th string, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2 frets up in the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go back to our main riff and the chorus and the hook line, whatever, where it's played a little bit different. It has like an A and B part. So 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. This is what you know. And then the B part is a little bit different. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. We move back to the 5th fret for a moment and go back to 3 and 2 again. So, in the hook part and the chorus part where it's getting all loud and stuff, we have 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. And the B part, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. We repeat that. 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. And then to the bridge again. 3, 8 times. And then 5th fret 8 times. And then we have the verse again where we just play the A riff. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. You get the idea. I mean, we have like the verse, which is all calm. Then we have the bridge, which leads to the chorus part, which is quite loud, where we have like A and B version of the riff. Then we have the bridge again, leading it again back to the verse. And this is going on all the time in this song. Don't get confused by this song that it sounds like a bass or something. Jack White is actually using a guitar and having effects, tuning down his guitar to sound like a bass in certain parts. So yeah, it sounds like a bass, it is a guitar becoming a bass, something like this. Just to let you know some Insider Pro intel here. And if you like videos like this, if you like to check out everything what's possible on guitar and explore the beauty of this instrument, of the best instrument in the world, check out my free lessons in the video description. Tons of cool lessons to start out on the guitar. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannes and I hope you had a lot of fun here and see you in the next video. Bye!